Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Whimsical for project planning in 2026. Whether you're planning a personal project or coordinating with a team, Whimsical makes it easy to organize ideas and turn them into action. So let's get started. First, open Whimsical in your web browser and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, create a new board or choose a project planning template to save time. Next, add your project's main goal at the top of the board. Then create sections for tasks, milestones, deadlines, or team responsibilities. Yeah, this helps keep everything organized from the very beginning. Now, use flowcharts, sticky notes, mind maps, or diagrams to break your project into smaller steps. Visual planning makes it much easier to understand the entire workflow at a glance. As your project grows, drag and rearrange items, connect related tasks, and add comments so everyone stays on the same page. If you're working with a team, invite members to collaborate in real time and make updates together. Once your project plan is complete, share the board with your team or export it if you need to present it or keep a backup. And that's it. You now know how to use Whimsical for project planning. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.